Hi, I'm Daniel Green. Today's discovery, Gourmia's GM680 11-in-1 Sous Vide multi-cooker, or as I like to call it, Gourmia's Sure Thing Sous Vide. Why a sure thing sous vide? Because if you're a fan of real sous vide, but don't have the time or space for a dedicated sous vide, it's a sure thing you're going to love how the GM680 has program modes to also saute and sear, steam, slow cook, bake, roast, warm. It even makes rice and yogurt. And that's besides being a world-class sous vide water oven. And in case you're wondering why serious chefs, like yours truly, prefer the GM680 to a dedicated sous vide, here's 10 very good reasons why. First, there's these steaks I was just about to serve. Trick is to get them to look as good as they'll taste. Sure, you can reach for a blowtorch or dirty up your oven or broiler, but why bother when your GM680 has the modes to get you the job done well? Just lift the tempered glass lid safely, remove the sous vide rack, add a few drops of oil to that non-stick cooking surface, set the selector for sauté, wait a moment for that precision heating element to heat in that non-stick interior. Then just place your steak on it. And before you know it, your steaks are seared to perfection and look good enough to eat. In fact, I'll even let you in on a little secret. Want to know why my kitchen looks so clean even though I've just finished preparing a full dinner? And no, it's not because I ordered takeout. It's because everything you see right here was created using only my Gourmia GM680. Well, maybe not everything. Cheers.